Hi friends, wishing you all are well. Today I just going to share a very sensitive and heart-throbbing reality of human being. Have you ever think that when you were born in, before than that, where you had been staying for? You were inside the womb of your mother, that is the most secure shelter of your life. Your mother was too much concerned about you at that time. In her total life, she only maintained the schedule of taking her food in that time only. That is also sacrificing because your mother thought that at that time, if I take the food in proper time, by passively my baby will get the food by cord. That's why she only maintained her food habits in proper time when she had been in pregnancy. That is the real life. And your mother is only one, only she could feel herself the existence of yours before you came to the earth. When you were born in, from that time to till date, your mother is only been taken and vow that I have to do everything for my son. That's why mother is she who can realize your feeling by seeing your face. When you become hungry, she really understand herself you are hungry and call you definitely for the food. She is your mother. When you're thirsty, she definitely give you a glass of water. She is your mother. When you are in anxiety, she definitely can read your face why you are in anxiety. She is your mother. She always blesses you a lot. When you are in joyful moment, she definitely share her feelings to you. Your mother is the original movable dictionary of your life. She knows everything what is happening inside of you. When you're talking to her over phone, she definitely can understand what state of mind you are in by hearing your voice. That is the truth of every human being's mother. Mother is only the living God. Mother is only the living God. She is doing everything for you. She is only person who is morning till night, cardial from the grave, concerned about your Lord. If you consider mother is an abbreviation, then definitely I split the word mother. From my point of view, M for morality. Mother is a symbol of morality. Every morals, every ethics, she try to keep inside of you from your childhood. O for originality. Mother has no ornamental behavior with you, mind it. She has total original thing which is she is thinking and what feelings she has inside her heart, she definitely share with you and doing everything original. T for transparency. Mother has all transparency. She has not showing you something and doing something and thinking something else. She has every transparency, and so all truthness she has for you. H for humorous. She has a lot of humor. She has special humor for you. Special humor for you. She is very much pleased to see your smiling face. She is very much feelings happier. She feeling happier too much when you are smiling for once. That is the reality of mother. E for enthusiastic. She is always enthusiastic. She has lot of enthu for you. She is always energetic for you. When she feels tired after doing all the works in the family, when she feeling tired, and in that time, if you ask for a glass of water, she will definitely more energetic because my son or my daughter asks me a glass of water. That kind of energetic she is for you only. And last but not the least are for realistic. She is realistic, real heroine of your life, real heroine of your life. Mind it, keep it inside of your mind that she is too much concerned about you a lot, and for whom you can feel, you from your childhood that you are a special person in the world because your mom injected that. You are very relaxed when you inside of your house and ask anything from your mother definitely serve you. She never feel tired. That is the mother. Mother is a such kind of word. It has special power, special feeling for you. She is too much concerned about you. Mind it. I have lost my father this year in 18th of January. So from that day till today, I know what is the gap without mother. I have everything, but I am always feeling I am very alone in this world. So I'm telling you very frankly, friends, this is the right time to reciprocate something for your mother. She never wants anything from your end. Never wants. She only hunting the smile of yours wants, the smiling face of yours, the happiness of yours. She always fishing out. She always finding out. She is very much happy to see your happy full face. She is very much happy when you are in joyful mood. That's why do something for your mother. The blaze will come back. Return will come back more. That is the only power to make you success. If you want to find out the happiness from everywhere, the materialistic object like car, phone, etc. will never give you happiness. Only you can get happy when you try to grab it by doing something for your mother. Do it, she is a living God. Lastly, I am telling you one thing very frankly. Don't do any mistakes in your life when you are getting the opportunity to serve for her. My mother always told me, always tried to teach me that don't do any bad behavior to the elders or the senior citizens of our country, of our surroundings. Because if you do that, the day will come when they passed away, then you have to regret for that. Okay? Do good behavior with every citizens, every senior citizens, and try to help them and do reciprocate. Try to do reciprocate your mother by the way of love, by the way of emotion, by the way of your responsibility. Today, I just want to share you one story. One man was going through a road, and he had seen there is an old homage, and on the gate, an old lady was sitting with some luggages, with her smiling face, and you can imagine that the lady is very happy indeed. The man just ignored the matter and went through the road. At the evening, after doing all such works, when he came back, he had seen the same lady sitting on the same place, that is outside the old age home, with the same luggages, with the smiling face. She was surprised. From morning till evening, she is sitting the same place with smiling face. How is it possible? Is there something wrong? He just stopped his car, went to the gatekeeper and asked, "What about this lady? I have seen from morning till evening she is sitting the same place with some luggages and with cheerful mood. What does it mean?" The gatekeeper told, "Sir, in the age of 40, after taking so many doctors' consultation, she became the mother at the age of 40 years. And from that very day, her husband and she is very much concerned about her child, that is male child. Day by day, the both of husband and wife nourished their child properly and given all the pleasure, all the happiness in their life, and they are too much concerned, too much concentrated about their son. Day by day, son is growing up, growing up, growing up. But after that, when son became adult, he had got a big job in a multinational company. Just saying you, 2 months back, her husband diseased, expired. After that, just 1 month back, I'm telling you, 1 month back, that child came to our old age home and talked to our manager that I want to keep my mother over here, and I'm registering her name and giving the fees what you need. But thing is that my mother will come very soon and she will tell her name. If possible, then I'll come with her. If not possible, it's not possible to me to come. She will come alone. And the symbol is that she will come with some fruits and she will tell her name. You definitely provide her room. Okay? After that, 2 or 3 days after, her son took her mother and told, "Mom, today we want to go a temple and we spend there." Her mother was too much pleased from in her soul. She was, after the disease of her husband, this is the first time she was getting too much pleasure that her children, her son, giving her this type of offer. Her son will spend some time with her. Oh my God. Okay, her mother agreed, and her mother and he started for going there. On the way, he stopped his car and purchased some fruits and came back to the car and told mother and gave her mother that mother, you when we reach there, you definitely distribute these fruits to the people who are staying there in the temple. Okay? When they came to the gate, he told her mother, "I have an important meeting, I just forgot that. You just go inside and there is a manager's room, you may see, and go there. I already told your name over there. You just tell your name and give these fruits to them and say that you just distribute these fruits to them, the member of that particular temple. Okay, and I'm coming back very soon. And keep you from here. Then you will go back to home." Okay. His mother entered there, done the everything. After that, the manager told her, "You please come with me," and shown her room. "This is your room, you have to stay here." She was surprised. "It's not possible to me to stay here. Your son came just 2 or 3 days back. He told all details to you and given the registration fees, etc., and booked this room for you. You have to stay from today over here." The mother started crying. After that, didn't take any food. At least. And after crying, she became tired and somehow she slept. On the next morning, she waked up and recall all the matters what has happened yesterday. She went for the bath, came back, and just got ready and take her luggage and went in front of the gate and started for waiting of her son. From morning till night, each and every day, she was too much sure of herself and thinking that my son will come and pick up me from here. That's why she is sitting from morning till night. At night, when her son not came to pick up her, then she started crying and feel tired and just go to sleep. Day by day, she is doing the same process. After that, now she became mad. Oh my God! The person asks the gatekeeper, you never contact with that person who just left his mother over here? Yes, I tried, sir. We tried. But his phone number is fake. His address is fake. Nobody knows where he is. This is the real story. The people who just listening this video definitely understand the mother's activity in human's life and our activity. What is our activity? What we are reciprocated. There are so many. I'm not talking about generally. Actually, there are so many persons are doing like this. There is a conclusion. Even till date, if anybody say any bad words to that particular lady, to that particular mother, your son never come. Why are you waiting over here? Your son is a worst chap in the world, bad person. Then the lady feel angry and ferociously try to attack that person. Still, she believed that her son will come and pick up her. Still, she loves her son more than herself. This is the real story of life. So friends, I'm telling you very frankly, do something for your mother to earn the bliss. That bliss only can reach you into your goal, and bliss only can make you happy. That is the only thing that can make you happy. So, I'm telling you, do something for your mother who already doing everything for you. Thank you a lot. If you like my video, you definitely press the subscriber button, like and bell icon too. Subscribe my channel. I'll come again for you and definitely speak for you. Thank you a lot. Thank you very much.